Hi guys, Jeremy here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to set up an e-commerce store in GoHighLevel. I'm also going to guide you on how to add products to your store. If you're new to GoHighLevel, don't worry, I will walk you through every step of the process, step by step. So by the end of the video, you'll have your very own online store up and running. But before we dive in, I have a special offer for you. Now, normally, if you visit GHL's website, you're going to get a 14-day free trial. However, if you use my link, you will get a 30-day free trial instead. And as a bonus, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart. Now, this course will help you set up and launch your business within those first 30 days. GHL offers a ton of features and it's really easy to get lost. So in my course, I highlight the most important aspects to focus on, helping you to start making money using GoHighLevel in those initial 30 days. On top of that, you are also going to receive my top-notch, high-quality templates for free, including the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub for tracking your finances, among others. Now, these are worth more than $900, but you're going to get all of that for free just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Simply click the first link to find all the details about these offers and how you can claim them. It's just my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel. Now let's dive in. Creating an e-commerce store in GoHighLevel is simple. The first step is to have a GoHighLevel account. Now, if you don't have one yet, you can sign up for a free trial using the link in the description. Now, once you've logged in, the next step is to switch from your agency account to a sub-account. This is important because the features for creating a store are found within the sub-account. To switch, just go to the top of the left-hand menu and click here to switch. This will show you all of your sub-accounts. For our demo, we have only one sub-account available, so go ahead and click on that account to access the sub-account dashboard. In your sub-account dashboard, you're going to see various options in the left-hand menu. Now, these options are designed to help you manage different aspects of your account. First, look for the Sites tab and click on it. Now, this will take you to the Sites page dashboard. On this page, you'll notice multiple sections. Since we are focusing on creating an e-commerce store, we'll concentrate on the Store section. Next, click on the Stores section to go to the Store page dashboard. Here, you'll find the Add New Store button. Click this button to start creating your e-commerce store. Now, this action will kick off the store creation process and help you build your online presence. After clicking the Add New Store button, a pop-up will appear with two options, from blank and from templates. Choosing from blank lets you create a store from scratch using the Store Builder. Now, this option gives you total control over every detail of your store's design and functionality. On the other hand, the From Templates option offers ready-made templates that you can customize. This is a great choice if you want a quicker setup or need some design ideas. For this tutorial, we'll select From Templates and then click Continue to move on to the next step. Using a template can simplify the process. It provides professionally designed layouts that you can adjust to fit your brand. The templates are particularly helpful for those who might not have a lot of design experience but still want their store to look polished and professional. On the next screen, you'll find a variety of templates to choose from, and you can click on each template to preview it and see which one fits your business needs the best. Take your time to explore the different styles and layouts that are available. And once you've found one that you like, go ahead and click on it to start customizing your store. In this demo, we'll select the template named Car Audio and Video Store. First, we're going to click on it to preview it. Then, we'll click on the Continue button located at the top right side of the template. You're now entering the Store Builder. Here you can customize the design and layout of your store pages. This is the perfect place to add your products and adjust visual elements. You can also configure settings to align with your brand identity. The Store Builder is user-friendly and provides various tools to help you create an engaging online shopping experience for your customers. Feel free to modify colors, fonts, images, and layout structures. This way, your store will stand out and truly reflect your unique brand. So let's start with the header, which is the top navigation bar of your store. This section is important because it gives visitors their first impression and helps them navigate your site. First, focus on the logo. You can either upload your custom logo or you can edit the text logo to better represent your brand. Click on the logo section and a sidebar is going to pop up on the right in the editor. Next, scroll down to the brand logo option. From there, you can choose an image to upload from your computer. It's a good idea to use a high-resolution logo to make sure that it looks sharp and professional. Next up, customize the navigation links like Home, Shop, and Consultation. To do this, click on the navigation bar. You'll find options in the right sidebar that let you modify these links. Scroll down to the menu items section where each navigation page is listed along with a pencil icon. Click the pencil icon next to each item and a pop-up will appear. For example, clicking the pencil icon next to the home opens a pop-up. Here you can change the title and add a link to a specific page that you want your visitors to access when they click on it. After you finish customizing, be sure to click the Submit button to save your changes. Next, there's a shopping cart icon which allows your customers to access their cart. You can customize its visibility and style using the options in the right sidebar. Look for the Show Cart icon option. There's going to be a toggle next to it. You can switch the toggle to on or off to show or hide the cart icon on your store, depending on what your preference is. Let's now talk about the Hero section, also known as the banner area. This section is crucial for your store setup because it grabs the attention of your visitors. Now, when you click on the Hero section, a right sidebar will appear. And in this sidebar, you can change the background, image, text, and buttons to fit your branding. To update the background image, simply click on the current image and upload a new one. The right sidebar gives you the option to choose either an image or a video for your background. Pick the type that just best represents your brand and appeals to your target audience. Now you can customize the text like sights and sounds to communicate your main message. Simply click on the text to edit it. You can change the font. You can change the font style, size, color, or alignment to align with your brand's tone and aesthetics. Now this helps you create a compelling headline that connects with your visitors. The button labeled The Shop can also be modified. You might want to change it to something like Explore Products or Shop Now. Additionally, you can link the button to the right product page. Just click on the button and choose the link destination. This acts as a call to action, guiding your customers to the next step. Next, let's look at the product features section. Here, you can highlight the key products or services that you offer. For the product images such as premium sound or crisp car video, you can easily replace the current images. Just click on the images that you want to change. And on the right sidebar, you're going to find options to upload a new image or video as your product background. Now this feature helps you showcase your products in the most appealing way possible. Customize the text and descriptions for each product by clicking on the product titles like Premium Sound and Crisp Car Video. You can edit the descriptions to highlight your product's features and their benefits. This helps customers understand what you offer and why they should choose your products. You can also customize the Shop Now buttons to link directly to the respective product pages. Just click on the button and look at the right sidebar. There, you can change the text under the text field. Choose a color, add animations, and set the link destination. This makes it easy for customers to navigate to the products that they're interested in. Once you've customized the product feature section, scroll down to the Trusted By section. In this section, you can upload logos or partner companies or brands that trust your business. Now this helps you build credibility. To replace the existing placeholder logos, simply click on them and upload images of the companies or brands that you work with. Showing this social proof can enhance trust and encourage potential customers to engage with your store. Below the Trusted By section, you'll find the Consultation section. Now, this part is also customizable, which means that you can change the background image, text, and buttons. For the background image, just simply click on it to upload an image that fits this section's theme. Choose one related to your product or services. Now, this visual element helps reinforce the message that you're sharing. Next, edit the text. For example, you might use Dream Car Consultation to describe your service. Feel free to change the title to better reflect what you offer, like Get Expert Consultation. Make sure that the content clearly communicates the value that you provide to customers. The Get Consultation button can be linked to a contact form, booking page, or a scheduling tool. Now, this makes it easy for customers to sign up for consultations. You can customize the button text and add link to enhance customer engagement. If you want to add a form for consultation requests, just click on the You Don't Have Any Form Yet option to set it up. In the right sidebar, you can provide an offer, edit the form, or upload a new one. Using this form allows you to collect customer information and effectively follow up on consultation requests. Now let's move on to the FAQ section, which is the Frequently Asked Questions. In this section, this is the place where you can answer common questions and provide helpful information to your customers. You can customize each FAQ item by clicking on the question and answer sections. Feel free to add facts related to your products or services. Now, this is going to help your customers feel more confident about their purchases. To add or remove facts, simply click on the plus or X icons, depending on the option available in the builder. Now, this feature allows you to tailor the facts section to address the most common concerns of your target audience. Finally, let's customize the footer section. Now, this part is important for navigating and sharing key information. Under Quick Links, you can edit links to pages like Home, About, Booking, and Shop. Simply change the text and connect them to the right internal pages or external links. This will make it much easier for visitors to navigate your site. In the Contact Us section, fill in your business details. Now, this includes your business name, address, phone number, and email address. Simply click on the placeholders and replace them with your actual contact information. This will help customers reach you easily. And make sure your legal pages, like the privacy policy and the terms and conditions, are properly linked. Edit the text to connect these items to the appropriate legal pages on your site. This step is crucial for compliances and helps build trust with your customers. Update the social media icons at the bottom by linking them to your brand's official accounts. Click on each icon and enter the URLs for your Facebook, Instagram, or other platforms. Now, this encourages customers to connect with you on social media. Now, by following these steps, you can easily customize your e-commerce store in GoHighLevel. Each section lets you tailor the store to fit your brand's identity and meet your customers' needs. Don't forget to save your changes regularly to avoid losing any progress. Now that you know how to customize different sections of the template for your store, let's take a look at some important options located at the top left side of the store builder. Now, these options are key because they help you adjust your store's overall look and functionality to fit your brand and business needs. First up is the Add Element option, which is represented by a plus sign. Now, this feature lets you add various elements to your page like text boxes, forms, blogs, images, buttons, and videos. You can easily drag and drop these elements into different sections of your store, allowing you to create a personalized layout. In addition to adding individual elements, you can also include sections, rows, global sections, and section templates. Now, this gives you a comprehensive set of tools to structure your store just the way you want it. Next, let's talk about the Layers option. Now, this feature gives you a clear view of the structure of your page. It displays all the sections, rows, and elements, including any pop-ups. By clicking on the page in this panel, you can expand it to see important elements like the header, hero section, callouts, various sections, and the footer. Now, the same goes for the pop-up section. This option is particularly helpful for complex layouts. It lets you easily navigate through different parts of your page. You can manage overlapping elements and reorder or hide components directly from this panel. Next, we have the Pages option. Now, this feature allows you to switch between different pages of your store. You can access main pages like Home and Consultation as well as store-specific pages such as the product list, product details, cart, checkout, and thank you page. Additionally, you can add new pages, delete old ones, or rearrange the page structure. This is important for managing multi-page stores. Each page serves a different purpose, ensuring that your customers have a smooth and intuitive navigation experience. Then we have the tracking code option. Now, this feature lets you add tracking scripts like Google Analytics, Facebook Pixel, or any custom tracking codes. Now, these scripts help collect visitor data, track conversions, and provide other marketing analytics. By placing the right tracking codes here, you can monitor user activity on your store. Now, this will give you valuable insights into customer behavior. With this information, you can make data-driven decisions to enhance your marketing strategies. Another important feature is the custom CSS option. Now, this allows you to add specific styling rules to customize the look of your store beyond the default options. If you want unique designs or advanced visual tweaks, you can write your custom CSS in this section. You can change aspects like colors, fonts, and layout spacing. Having this option gives you greater control over how your store looks. It lets you create a distinctive appearance that sets your brand apart from the rest. Next, you'll find the typography option, usually shown as a T icon. Now, this feature allows you to manage the typography settings for your store. You can select fonts, adjust font sizes, and choose text styles like bold or italic. Now, these settings apply to different elements such as headings, body text, and buttons. Having consistent and visually appealing typography is crucial. It helps maintain a professional look and improves readability across all your pages. Next, we have the background option. Now, this setting lets you choose a background image, color, or gradient for your entire page or for specific sections of your store. Using backgrounds is important for achieving a visually appealing look. You can apply different backgrounds to various sections. Now, this helps highlight important content and creates a specific mood or theme that aligns with your brand identity. Next up is the Popup Settings option. Now, this feature lets you manage pop-ups on your store, like sign-up forms or promotional offers. You can configure when these pop-ups should appear. For instance, they can show up when a user scrolls a certain percentage of the page, tries to exit, or after a specific amount of time. Using pop-ups is a great way to capture leads, promote sales, or share important information with your visitors. They grab attention without being too intrusive. Next, we have the SEO Meta Data option. Now, this section allows you to set the title, meta description, and keywords for each page of your store. Now, this information is essential for search engine optimization, or SEO. It helps your store rank better in search engines like Google. The metadata appears in search results, which is key for attracting clicks from potential customers. By carefully crafting your meta titles and descriptions, you can boost your store's visibility and appeal in search engine listings. Next we have the Preview Custom Codes option. This feature lets you review any custom code that you've added, including CSS, HTML, or JavaScript. It's helpful for checking if your custom changes to the design or functionality of your store are working correctly. You can see how these changes affect the store in real time. Now this allows you to make adjustments as needed to achieve the desired effect while ensuring a smooth user experience. Finally, we have the cookie consent option. Now, this feature allows you to set up a cookie consent banner for your store. Cookie consent is important for following privacy laws like GDPR, which requires websites to inform users about cookie usage. You can customize the banner's text, style, and behavior to fit your store's branding and legal needs. Having a cookie consent banner not only ensures that you comply with the law, but it also helps you build trust with your customers by being open about how you use their data. By using these tools, you can take full control of your store's design, layout, and functionality. Whether you're adding new elements or setting up tracking codes, these options give you the flexibility to create a store that reflects your brand, meets legal requirements, and optimizes user experience and search engine visibility. Now that you have an overview of the different options available in the design panel, let me give you a few general tips. When customizing your store, keep in mind that you can edit the style of each section or element. This includes images, text, and buttons. You have the flexibility to adjust the font, color, size, and spacing to match your brand's visual identity. This level of customization helps ensure that every part of your store reflects your brand's personality and appeals to your target audience. And don't forget about mobile optimization. It's important that your store layout looks great on both desktop and mobile devices. GoHighLevel usually offers a mobile view option, which lets you preview and customize your store's appearance on mobile devices. Since many customers shop using their mobile devices, optimizing for mobile is key to providing a seamless shopping experience no matter what device they're using. After you make your customizations, be sure to click on the preview button. Now this lets you see how your store will look before it goes live. It's a great way to catch any errors or make any final adjustments that you need to make. Once you're happy with everything, click on the Publish button to make your store available to your audience. When you click the Publish button, you'll need to add a domain for your store. If you already have a domain, just enter it, then click the Save button to save the domain and publish your store. If you don't have a domain yet, start by clicking the pencil icon next to the Add Edit Domains option. Now this will open up a new tab where you can set up your store domain. You can either register a new domain or configure an existing one to point to your store. Having a custom domain adds professionalism to your brand. It also makes it easier for customers to find you online. By following these steps, you can customize the template to fit your brand and products. Taking advantage of the customization options will ensure that your e-commerce store not only looks great, but also offers a user-friendly experience. This encourages customers to explore your products and make purchases. Now that you have a running store set up in GoHighLevel, let's look at how to add a product to your e-commerce platform. Adding products is crucial for showcasing what you offer and allowing customers to make purchases. To get started, exit the editor and return to your sub-account. On the left-hand side menu, click on the Payments tab. This will take you to the Payments page where you can manage all the financial aspects of your store. Once you're on the Payments page, hover over the Products section. You'll see several options appear, including Products, Collections, and Inventory. For now, focus on the Product option and click on Products. This will bring you to the product page, which serves as the hub for all your products in your store. And since we're using a demo account without any products yet, let's create one to add to the store that we set up earlier. Click on the Create Product button, and you can find this button either in the center of the page or at the top right-hand corner. After clicking it, you'll be taken to the Product Creation page. Here, you can fill in all the necessary information about your new product. On the Product Creation page, you'll begin by filling out the Product Information section. The first option you'll see is Include in Online Store. This is a toggle switch that determines if the product will be visible in your online store. If you enable the switch, the product will appear in your storefront. It's important to turn on this option if you want the product you're creating to be available for purchase in your GoHighLevel store. Next, you need to provide a title for your product. This is a required field where you enter the name of your product. The title will be prominently displayed on the product page and in search results. So make sure that it's clear and accurately represents what the product is. Then fill out the description field. This section allows you to give a detailed explanation of the product. You can format the text by changing the font size, bolding important points, and adding paragraphs to enhance readability. The description helps customers understand the product's features, benefits, and how to use it. Additionally, the description is crucial for SEO. It's crucial for your search engine optimization. Including relevant keywords can help improve your product's visibility in search engine results. The next step is to add media to your product page. Here, you can upload product images or videos to showcase your product visually. High-quality visuals are crucial for engaging customers and helping them understand what they're buying. For images, the recommended resolution is 1024 by 1024 pixels. If you're uploading a video, make sure the file size doesn't exceed 10 megabytes. You also have the option to enable product. You also have the option to enable product label. Now, by checking this box, you can attach a label to your product. Labels are great for categorizing or highlighting specific items like new or bestseller. These labels can catch customers' attention and boost sales. You can assign the product to a product collection. This lets you categorize the product in your store, making it easier for customers to find related items by browsing through categories. Organizing products into collections can improve the shopping experience, and it may lead to more sales. Another important field is the product tax code. Here, you can choose a tax category for automatic tax calculations. The tax applied will depend on the settings that you have for your region or country. Having accurate tax settings is essential for compliance and ensures that customers pay the correct amount. If you're not using automatic taxes, or if your customers are located outside the US, you have the option to manually attach tax rates. This feature allows you to control the tax rates applied to your products. You can ensure that these rates comply with local regulations and fit your business policies. Let's move on to the prices section. Here, you need to provide details about your product's pricing. Make sure to include different currencies if you're targeting international customers. This flexibility will help you reach a wider audience. In the Type drop-down menu, you can specify the pricing type. Options include one-time or recurring. Choose the right type based on how your product is priced. In the amount field, enter the product's price. This is the actual cost that the customers will pay, so make sure it's accurate. There's also a compare at price option. Now, this allows you to show a discount or sale price. By displaying the original price next to the discounted price, you can highlight the savings. This makes the product more appealing to customers. And if you want to keep track of stock levels for this product, enable track inventory by checking the box. This feature is especially useful for physical goods. It helps you avoid overselling items that are out of stock. Keeping an eye on your inventory ensures a smooth experience for customers and helps maintain your store's reputation. In the prices section, look for additional options. Here, you can include more details about the product's pricing, like a price description and any membership offers. If you have special pricing conditions or unique offers, this is the right spot to add them. You will also find an Add Another Price button. Click it to add more pricing options if needed. This feature provides you with the flexibility to implement different pricing strategies. Next, let's look at the variants section. If your product comes in different sizes, colors, or other options, you can add those variants here. Now, each variant can have its own pricing SKU or stock keeping unit and inventory levels. To add a variant, just click on the Add a Variant button. After that, you'll provide details specific to the variant, like the price, compare at price, and available quantity. This setup allows customers to choose the exact version of the product that they want, making their shopping experience better. Last, we have the search engine listing section, where you can optimize your product's SEO. The SEO title field lets you enter a title that will show up in search engine results. Remember, it has a limit of 70 characters, so make it concise and include relevant keywords to boost your search rankings. Next is the SEO description field. This is for the product's meta description, which appears below the title in search results. It is limited to 155 characters. Use this space to summarize your product in a way that encourages potential customers to click on the link. Crafting an effective meta description can significantly improve your product's click-through rate from search results. The handle is the special part of the URL that allows access to a product. By default, it is added to your domain, but you have the option to customize it for better SEO and easier navigation. Having a clear and relevant handle is important. It helps customers remember and share the product page more easily. Keeping it simple makes the whole experience user-friendly. Now, after you provide all the necessary information, you'll see two action buttons at the bottom of the page: Save and Discard. Clicking Save will save the product information to your store. This makes it available for customers to view if you've set it to be included in your online store. On the other hand, if you click Discard, it will erase all changes that you've made in the product creation form. Use this option very carefully to avoid losing your work. Confirm if the product is added to the store or not. So after saving the product, you may want to check to see if it's successfully added to your store. Now, to do this, go to the Site tab located in the left menu of your sub-account. From there, navigate to the Store section. Now, in this section, you'll find the main pages of your store, including the Product Details page. Click on this page and you'll be taken to another tab where you can see the product that you've added. This step is important as it confirms that your product is live and visible to customers. So that's it for this video. You've just learned how to set up an e-commerce store in GoHighLevel. You've also got an idea of how to create a product and add it to your store. Now you can follow these steps to set up your own e-commerce store. You're welcome. Create a product and add it to your store easily. If you're interested in signing up for GHL to try out the e-commerce feature, use my link. Remember, normally signing up through GoHighLevel's website gives you 14 days to try it out. But with my link, you're going to get a special 30-day free trial. As a big thank you, I'm also giving you access to my full course, GoHighLevel Jumpstart. Now, this course guides you through setting up and launching your business in those first 30 days. GHL has a ton of features, easy to get lost in and feel overwhelmed. So in my course, I highlight the key aspects to focus on so that you can start making money quickly. Plus, you're going to get my top-notch Notion templates for free. This includes the Business Hub template for managing your business and the Finance Hub template for tracking your finances. Now, these templates are valued at over $900, but you're going to get them all for free, just simply as a thank you for using my affiliate link in the description. Just click the first link in the description below to claim your bonuses. It's my way of saying thank you for supporting the channel.